What does Mommy say about bugs?
Gross.
Yeah, they're gross. Mommy doesn't like them.
A bug. A bug. A bug.
You gonna kill all the bugs over there for Mommy? You stomp on them all. You get them.
A bug.
Do you see any leaves?
A boat.
A boat. Where's the boat?
A bug. A bug.
A birdie. Where's the birdie?
Tree.
In the tree? Is he up high in the tree?
It's blue.
Look, here's a spider on your car. Come get the spider. He's on your car.
A Sleetos.
Spider.
Sleetos.
A Sleetos is a spider? Okay.
Sleetos. Sleetos.
Sounds like you're saying seahorse, but I really don't know what you're saying.
Sleetos.
Spider?
Sleetos.